Guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix low FPS and lag, or just just lag and low FPS for Rust. And let's get straight into the video. So the first thing that you guys can do is go ahead and make your way over to the search bar and go ahead and type in device manager. From device manager, what you can do is make your way over to display adapters, right click on your GPU and hit update driver, and then go ahead and choose search automatically for drivers. Now this is one way of updating your drivers. Another way is by just going over to the NVIDIA app directly if you are on NVIDIA. And if you have AMD, you can go over to the AMD equivalent app. But anyways, go over to drivers and then go ahead and update them from here. Now once that is done, I recommend restarting your PC as well, and that should help fix the issue. Another thing you guys can do is in-game settings. Just always make sure to turn them down. So graphics setting, anything to do with quality, so shadow quality, lighting quality, you can go ahead and just turn that down to low or medium. And what you can also do, but I don't recommend, is turning down your resolution, because that always does give a boost in FPS as well. Now, once you do all these things, you guys should be go. And if you are experiencing stuff like high ping, what you can do is restart your Wi-Fi router, or what you can do is use an Ethernet cable instead. Both of these options will help with high ping and just lag overall, and that should fix the issue. And once you are done with you guys, that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.